Hello everybody, this is Eric at Show Themes. It's an exciting day here. We just launched Show Pro, our new conference WordPress theme, and Conference, our new plugin. It's a powerful event management plugin. And both of those, the theme and the plugin, use Eventbrite for ticket sales. So I wanted to take a quick moment to show you how easy it is to set up an event, including ticket sales, and embed that on your website. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first create an account with Eventbrite, which is free by the way, you'll land on a page like this. And what you want to do is click this button up here to create an event. And it takes us to this first basic info page. Let's say that we're going to organize a Show Themes conference. It has the organizer information from my account I just set up. And type, it's going to ask some category information. Let's just say conference and science and technology, subcategory, high tech. You can add as many tags as you want down here. I'll just add one as an example. We'll add a WordPress tag. All right, and then the next section down here is the location. So as you search, it'll autofill for you. I live near Boulder, Colorado, so let's set that as the location. Once it does that, I'll give you the option to add some more detailed address information. I just pulled up a random hotel in Boulder here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy their address. Remember this 80302 zip code. Let's go back over. Paste that in, 80302. There's our location. And then we'll have to set a date and a time. Let's go out a couple months and we'll set it for a Saturday and Sunday, February 27th. To February 28th. Let's start it at 8:30 a.m. on Saturday, and we'll end at 5 p.m. on Sunday. And that's it. Let's save and continue. Okay, once you go through that initial page, you'll land on a page like this. I want to point out these 4 bullets over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the main things you have to fill out. Down below them, there's lots of additional information for customizing the event and adding extra details. You don't actually need those, and for our purposes, we're just going to go through the basic process here. So we did that first tab, and now we're on details. So we're going to go ahead. I have a place to add an image here, so let's do that. I'm just going to add a screenshot from one of our demos. It's Conference Pro. While that loads, we will add a summary. Let's call it a conference for event organizers. That'll work for now. And we'll say in the description here, join us as we teach you how to organize an awesome conference. Okay, it gives the option to add one more image in the body. I'd say let's go ahead and do that too. Grab another screenshot from a demo, open it, wait for that to load. All good, save and continue. You see it went down to the next tab down here, tickets. And for demo purposes, I'm going to create 2 types of ticket here. Free admission, we'll call the name. We're going to say there's 200 of those. We don't need a price. And this is the time during which you want to sell the tickets by default today through the event. When the event starts, looks good. There's our free admission. Let's create one more. Paid admission, we'll say 200 of those as well. $100 each. We'll take the fees. And again, the dates look good. Save. So we're just going to go down to this last tab, Publish, and we are going to publish our event. This creates a live event. It's fully active on Eventbrite. It gives you it creates a dedicated landing page for your event on Eventbrite. I was going to show that to you first. That's this URL here. We don't need this tab anymore, so let's copy that in. And this landing page is fully functional. It looks pretty nice out of the box, and would-be attendees can register for the conference and buy tickets here. Just waiting for that to load. There it is. Again, looks pretty good. But obviously what we'll want to do is embed it on our website. So What we're going to do is we're going to click on this link down here for website integrations. Yeah, let's generate the code. And yep, show me. So this page will give you two options. One, this first toggle here is to embed a button that'll open a pop-up window with the checkout interface. We're going to try the one that embeds it on the page. You click that, it'll generate a preview for you here. So that's what it'll look like, and it'll give you this link for the code. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to copy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to a demo site I just set up. This was a fresh WordPress install. I installed Show Pro, including the plugin, and I just ran Show Pro's import function, and it populated all of this, the styling and all the details here. We're going to go ahead and just log in. I haven't done anything else yet. We're going to go in to the back end, and we're going to create a dedicated page to put our registration interface. Now, you could technically put this anywhere. You could put it on the home page if you wanted, and even in the hero section of the home page. But just for simplicity's sake, we're going to put it on its own page. Let's say buy tickets as the title. I'm going to enter a quick spacer, add an extra little bit of space. That slash is a shortcut. You can also click this, and what we're looking for is the HTML block. There it is. I'm going to copy the code from Eventbrite. I'm going to add another spacer. I like lots of space. Publish. Let's take a look at what we have on the front end. Okay, so there it is. There's our embedded checkout user interface. Again, I think it looks pretty nice. Just to show you what happens here, let's say I pick one. You can see my order somewhere over here. I'm going to click checkout. I'm already logged into Eventbrite in the same browser, so I think in the checkout form here, it's going to pre-populate it for me. Yeah, it sure does. So it fetch that information from Eventbrite. Your users who won't be logged in, they'll just see some open spaces here. They'll enter their information. I don't really need those. You can see it's 0 total. If it was a paid ticket, there would be an actual monetary total over there. And let's register. And you'll get this nice thank you page. It has a link to your tickets. I'm going to go ahead and click on that so we can see what we get here. Your visitors will also get an email. It's a really nicely formatted email with e-tickets. You can even download the Eventbrite app and load up the tickets in the app and show up at the event with the tickets in the app. And so it's nice altogether. They handle a lot of the post-ticket sales, like distribution and communication for you as well. But there's my ticket. You can see I ran a couple of tests prior to doing the video here, but that's my ticket, and that's how easy it is. So thanks for watching, and thanks for being a part of the Show Themes community.